Good day, good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. Happy New Week to every one of us. This week will be a beautiful and a glorious week to us all. I want to talk on Dare to be Different. Dare to be Different. There is a quotation ascribed to George Bernard Shaw. It says, "The reasonable man adapts himself to the world. The unreasonable one persists in trying to adapt the world to himself. Therefore, all progress depends on the unreasonable man." Hmm. We all have the tendency to blend in and take the path of least resistance. Naturally, as human beings, we are averse to pressures and allergic to oppositions. When the majority holds a different view, we tend to accept it as valid and adjust our mindset to blend in. Hmm. The challenge today is simple: dare to be different. Are you different? Are you different? One of the greatest compliments that you can attract to yourself is to be positively different. Don't always flow with the crowd. Talk differently, think differently, and walk differently. Never take the direction of your life from the multitude. Fix your mind on a purpose. Believe in it, even if the mass is against you. Follow your conviction through. The reason we often await the approval of the crowd is because we don't have an agenda of our own. We think it is more convenient to allow others to decide for us. It is not he who wears the shoe that should know where it oughts. Is it not the one who wears the shoe? Yes. If it is your life, take ownership, make decisions. Majority rules is not always right. Don't be persuaded or dissuaded by the group opinion. It does not matter what everyone else believes. What should matter to you is what you personally believe. Stand up to stand out. Don't blend. Don't bend to blend in. My friend, success is for him who dares to be different. Dare to be different. And we can bring out a clue of an example from our admin. 2016, when TBC started, to the glory of God, most of us we are founding members of TBC. There were a lot of scandals, a lot of negative sayings against the admin and even the TBC himself, TBC as a community. The naysayer were saying different things. We have different thoughts among us. A lot of things. Indeed, TBC has passed through the thick and the thin. But today, though we are not yet there, but everybody can see. Why? Because TBC admin and the TBC committee dare to be different from every other cryptocurrency and from every other way that cryptocurrency is being operated. TBC dare to be different, and today we are standing tall. So, guys, dare to be different. Don't take your decision. Don't take your clue from the crowd. Dare to be different. Thank you very much. I love you all. Don't forget, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, click on that button by the right hand side and subscribe to receive a first hand notification whenever any broadcast video is being uploaded. Thank you. Bye for now. Cheers.